In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Bank of America credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon or swipe to the account section. Find your new credit card listed there. If it's ready to activate, you'll usually see an Activate Card button displayed next to it. Tap Activate Card, and a screen will pop up asking you to confirm a few details, typically the last 4 digits of your card, the expiration date, and the CVV. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Bank of America credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.